What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. This is the first video of 2023 and this one is got from the Taobao, China, and this is a OnePlus ACE PRO, which is a Chinese version of the OnePlus 10T. It is 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM. And I will do the quick unboxing, and after that I will show you how to convert OnePlus ACE PRO to global version of OnePlus 10T. Let's get started. Let's see what's put the seller. Usually the Taobao sellers sends you some gifts with the main item, but let's see what we got here. Okay, nothing inside. Let's drop that one there. And okay, this is ACE PRO. As you can see, everything is in Chinese here. Open 16 GB ACE PRO 5G, 16 GB 256, Dolby Atmos, and usually they put the manufacturing date, which is here 2022/11/18, November 18. That's it from this side. OnePlus logo, ACE PRO, and maybe some same in Chinese. So let's put it here, see what else we have. So they send the free protection screen. I'm not sure if this machine comes with the already pre-installed screen protector, but this is not plastic. This is kinda not soft, but the plastic protection screen. Let's leave it here. 30 GB to 500 GB. I'm not sure what's this. Let's open and see what they sent. This is maybe applies only in China, but anyway. Yeah, this is a SIM card. Actually, this is China Telecom SIM card, which is nice. So let's leave that here. This is, I'm not sure what's this. Maybe this is some applications, local stores. No, this is also a SIM card. No, it's just empty. As you can see, nothing on both sides. Not sure what this one will be used, but this interesting. And they send a free USB Type-C headphones and one stand for the, as you can see, this is a stand for putting phone. So this is good to get the gifts from the sellers. Shout out for that. So let's move this here and see the unboxing of main device. Okay, it says open here, but we will do other way. I don't like to cut the broke the seal, so I usually cut the plastic this way. And this way. Once we are done, okay, we will remove. Phone is pretty heavy. Total package weight was 1 kilogram. This is pretty huge phone. It's a 6.7 inches screen, and it doesn't want to come out. Slowly, but it coming. ACE. Okay, so let's leave it here. See what we have inside. We have the main paperwork from the OnePlus. Okay, nothing inside. This shows maybe how to connect. This is warranty maybe to fill out. OnePlus stickers, of course, as usual. SIM ejector tool, never settle. And this is the main instructions how to use the phone, all in Chinese. Okay, oops, so it came out pretty frozen. So you got the color of your phone protection case. This one's not as usual like transparent case, but this is matches to the phone color, which is some mystic blue. We have the red cable, USB Type-C to Type-C cable as usual, and we have a very heavy and nice charger, 160 watts total. This is very fast charger, and this is good that company still puts these chargers with the phone. So let's leave all this inside here and try to get out the phone from packaging. So this is the color. This is actually bluish greenish color, so but it's very nice. It's not a matte finish, it's a very glossy, and this one is Gorilla Glass 5, not the Victus, but it's feel in the hand very nice. As you can see, it's very good grip even without a case, because I like the matte finishes, but matte finish is usually very slicky and you can drop your phone. So as I can see, it came already with the pre-installed screen protector, so I will not use the another one that they sent. This is the camera setup. Main camera is 48 megapixels, and there is a flashlight here. There is macro camera for 2 megapixels, and there is a telephoto 12 megapixels. So let's move on and see if it has some juice on it. Let's see if it will turn on. Okay, it seems it should have the Chinese version of OnePlus OS, which is Color OS, which is the Oppo's main operating system for the mobile devices. And in the next video I will show you, as you can see it's in Chinese, but it's a 6.7 inch very nice screen, very bright, with no bezels at all. All sides of bezels are minimal, which is very nice. If we go here, we will see some languages pre-installed, but this is Chinese version of the phone. As you can see, we can move on. We'll see user agreement, privacy notice. So we put this. We can remove system stability, optional, and all those you need to accept. So carrier services, this is explains what's it about. And going next, skip connect to Wi-Fi, because I don't want it get the update, because I will change it to global version. Let's skip this one as well. Skip this one, we will set up later. Data, we don't need the data. Gestures, I am okay. Location services, commercial service, we don't need. Data security service. Quick device connect is a service enables your device to discover connect to other devices. Let's leave that on. Phone manager services, storage cleanup, yeah, that's the old Chinese stuff. Weather services, auto update. Okay, done. So this is a Color OS 12. Get started. Yeah, this is how the phone comes with the Color OS. As you can see, all in Chinese. Some stuff is in English, but keyboard is in Chinese. there is no actually Google Play Store, so that's why it's Oppo. So it's mainly like the Chinese Oppo phone. But what I will do in my video, next video, let's see. Okay, so there is an animation screen, but let's move on, and I will show you in the next video how to convert this device to global version of OnePlus 10T. Let's sure that it has 16 GB as they wrote there. So go to about the device and see ACE PRO 250 GB official version, 250 GB Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, model is PGP, ColorOS version, RAM is 60 GB, Android version 12. But we will convert it to global version and it will be Android version 13. This is it for the moment. Stay connected, stay on my channel. Thanks for the likes and comments, and I will show you in the next video how to convert this device to global version. This is actually, as I told you, 16 GB, which I got for $430 US, which is really nice for this type of phone. This has latest Snapdragon, and this has 16 GB RAM, which is pretty nice, and it will be very useful for the gaming. That's it, guys. Stay well, stay cool. See you in the next one.